Hello guys, Tomsolo here. I'm a bit annoyed by getting hit by an automated ban for spam, which I kinda deserve. I can understand why people reported me, but it wasn't intentional, you know. I wasn't being toxic, hateful, racist, or anything. I got banned because I spammed the guild recruitment macro by accident. But, you know, this has some effects. See, I have on my Alt Y key, I have a macro to recruit. I can't do anything with it. If there's a random stranger here, let's say I want to quest with him, I can't. I can't even chat on my Battle.net with my friends. I can't chat to people if I add them to my friend list first. This is kind of stupid, but yeah, I understand why I got banned. They were like, yeah, enjoy the ban, bruh. Because of a message that comes in fucking world chat. It's like 2 seconds that they saw it because there's so many chat messages in world chat all the time. Now it's quite calm. But yeah, it's kind of stupid, you know. So how did it happen? You have a bind to change your action bars. Now it's on my main action bar. And this is the second one, which I normally don't have binded, but there's so many useful niche items, spells, macros to make that I thought, yeah, I'm gonna use it. You know, why not? So I binded my macro to the same key as my spirit buff, and I was in Orgrimmar, and I hit the buff key, but I was on the other on the other bar, so I accidentally spent it like 5, 6. I don't know how much. It doesn't matter, but you know the drill. So yeah, kind of sucks, you know. It's not the same. Now all I can do is grind. But yeah, this concerns me. I wrote a ticket about it. I don't know when it's gonna be answered, because I can imagine there's like not enough people working on these kind of things. If I'm lucky, they see it on Monday, which is 2 days from now. But I doubt it. I don't know how long the ban is gonna take, which is also annoying. It's also on the entire account. I have 2 Battle.net accounts. I can't do shit on them. I can only I can interact with the guild, which is one thing. But outside of that, there's no interaction possible. I can't even do an emote, you know, /E, type something. Like some guy stole a mob from me, he apologizes. I can't respond. I would have been like, yeah, it's okay, man, shit happens all the time. But this is, yeah, what happens if some people intentionally ban someone who is like going for a realm first or whatever. But yeah, I want to know your opinion about this. Without the chat function, it's not as enjoyable, in my opinion. They should have people paid to do this, not have an automated system for this, because it makes their life easier. But hell yeah, it's only a game. But yeah, without the social aspect, it's not worth playing. Right guys, see you guys, good luck. I hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, this is my first ban ever in 15 years of playing the game. I've played every expansion, both, you know, private realms and retail, to a decent level. But yeah, doesn't matter. It just sucks. Peace, guys.